Good morning, FCS. Join us for Operation Christmas Child Packing Party Friday, November 22nd at 12:15 in Room 1. Adopting a child's Christmas box can be done as your service project, which includes shopping and packing. Boxes and brochures can be picked up outside of Room 1. Boxes must be returned by November 22nd.
Hey FCS students, Marvelous Mondays will resume in December, so remember to bring your money, your appetite, and a smile on your face.
Remember to get your third grading period service project completed and your form signed by the due date to receive full credit. Some potential service project opportunities are as follows. A Hand Up Ministries is hosting a donation station this Thursday, 11/21, in the Holy Cross Funeral Home parking lot. Contact A Hand Up Ministries to inquire about volunteer opportunities.
The Hands of Hope Turkey Trot 5K/10K will be on Saturday, 11/23 at Riverbend Elementary School. Contact Hands of Hope about potential volunteer opportunities.
The Wheatland Relay for Life kickoff is from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Saturday, 11/23 as well. Look up volunteer opportunities on www.relayforlife.org/WheatlandCA.
The Good Seed Church is hosting their annual Thanksgiving feast for those in need Saturday, 11/23 from 1 to 4 p.m. Call 300-6402 for information about volunteer opportunities.
And finally, the Say Love Community Participation Day will take place on Saturday, 11:30 from 7:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Participants will meet up at Hope Point Church, then divide up into groups for a variety of service project opportunities. Bring work gloves and tools if you have them, as well as a heart to serve our community. Then meet back at Hope Point for free lunch.
Thank you all for taking seriously our calling to love God
and love people.